Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my new video. Today, we will discuss further about the concept of available to promise, how it works in SAP, what is the significance of available to promise, and advanced available to promise in SAP S4 HANA. I'll quickly recap, guys, and we'll proceed for the next step. We have discussed what is the concept, what is the meaning of available to promise. So ATP quantity means the quantity which is available for the consumption to consume at the sales order level or for the different kind of reservations. We have also discussed the quantity that is reflecting at the stock overview level. That is not the ATP quantity, that is the available stock, guys. Okay, the quantity that is reflecting in the MMBE, that is the stock overview that may have already consumed at the different sales order level or against the different outbound deliveries or reservations. So that is not the ATP quantity that may not be available for the consumption for the new sales order. They that may have already used, consumed, allocated to the different sales order or deliveries or reservations. Now we will discuss further, we will move ahead, we will understand what is how we derive the ATP quantity, how we derive the ATP quantity. Here guys, ATP quantity derivation happens based on the ATP quantity is equal to available stock at any point in time plus receipts plus receipts plus receipts. Receipts means future receipts minus committed requirements. Committed requirements means guys future issues. We will do the further deep dive to understand the future receipt, the concept of the future receipt, guys. What is the meaning of future receipt? What is the meaning of future issues? And why we are addressing this as a committed quantity? Okay, we will do. We will discuss further on this. So based on the, for example, we are having the available quantity as a 500, as a 500. 500 is the available quantity. Future receipts are maybe 100 plus 200 plus 200 plus 150. This is the future receipt, and future issues are 200 minus 300 minus 250. This is the future receipt. So let us finalize it. 500 minus total future receipts are 100 plus 200 plus 150. So future plus 450. 450 we are going to receive in future, and how much we are going to issue in future? 200 minus 300, 500 minus 750. So what will be the ATP quantity again? ATP quantity will be 950 minus 750. So at any particular point in time, the ATP quantity will be 200. So based on the available stock of 200, system will confirm the sales order schedule line for that particular date. So how we have derived guys, please pay attention. It's a very important concept. It will be helping you a lot for different kind of business requirements, business issues, wherein user will be creating a ticket. They will be asking you that we are having a sufficient stock available, but schedule line is not confirmed. Schedule line cannot be confirmed until unless ATP quantity is not available. They may be checking the stock. I have seen multiple issues with my different clients wherein the stock was consumed against the different sales order, different reservations, and that reservation was created much earlier, guys. They are available, they existed in the system from last 1 year, from last 6 months, and that was not at all any use of those reservations. Even after that, they were there in the system. We removed that reservations in the system, we freed that quantity, and as soon as we removed the reservation, quantity got freed up. It was available as an uncommitted quantity. Committed quantity means we are saying here the committed requirements. Committed requirement means the quantity that has already allocated to the different sales order, different deliveries, or different uh, reservations. That is called as a committed quantity, guys. Okay, we have seen the derivation here. Please pay attention on this derivation. Then I'll give you a bit more understanding on the ATP quantity, on the concept of ATP quantity, on the further derivations, which all the documents we should use, we can use for deriving the ATP quantity. Okay, we determined here the ATP quantity as 200, guys. How we have done the derivation of this 200? Initially, we were having the available stock of 500, and then we identified against the different purchase orders or different production orders or purchase requisitions, we are going to receive the stock of 100 plus 200 plus 150, right? Then we identified that this quantity is already committed. That means quantity of 200, quantity of 300, and quantity of 250 has already allocated to the different sales order, different deliveries, and different reservations. So this quantity has already allocated, guys. This is already committed. Okay, and this quantity we are going to receive in the future. So out of the available stock of 500, we are going to receive the 450, and we are going to issue 750. So at this point in time, ATP quantity will be available stock plus total future receipts minus committed requirement of future issues. 950 minus 750, it is 200. Hence, we have done this derivation, guys. Now, moving on to the next step to give you a bit more understanding of this. For example, ATP quantity will be available stock available stock plus we are saying receipts. Receipts means future receipts that means we are going to receive the quantity against the purchase order plus maybe against the purchase PR purchase requisitions plus production order, maybe inbound deliveries, and minus future issues. Future issues means outbound delivery, sales order, plus outbound deliveries plus reservations. So guys, against the document like purchase order, purchase requisition, production order, it will be production order and inbound deliveries. And inbound deliveries. We are going to increase our inventory. We are going to increase our inventory and against the future issues, against the sales order, outbound deliveries, reservations, we are going to reduce the stock. This is nothing but the inventory. Stock position means inventory position, guys. Okay. So this is how we done the derivation of the ATP quantity. So guys, we understood the significance of available to promise. We understood the concept of available to promise. We understood the derivation of available to promise. In the next video, we will discuss about the different types of the functionality that SAP has given to determine the ATP quantity, how they work in the system, how we can enable in the system. We will move ahead, guys, and in the next video we will move for the next step. Till the time, guys, if you have liked this video, then click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. Happy learning and take care. We'll see you in the next video.